Say chat. Yo, I got a question. I get your number?
No.
Why not?
I have a boyfriend.
I don't care. Can I get your number?
No.
Please? On a scale of 1 through 10, wait, rate me. I can't get no rating? Scale 1 to 10?
No.
I failed, man. Mission failed, man. I was nervous as fuck, man.
I'll be seeing you all the
Sign on that. You come on.
I'll be seeing you all the time.
What are you saying to me?
I don't know, it's not like that.
Roll the clip.
Remember my words. I never get rejected.
You got it. You got it, bro. You got it.
Hey, Sat, I'm finna go do rolls, you feel me? Rolls, you ready? You gonna watch this? Yo, Rolls, I get your number? No. Can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10? That's all my fit today. What can I do to possibly get your number? I can't do anything? Why not? You got a boyfriend? Mission failed. Chat. Mission failed. I can't do anything to get the number.
Y'all know what the fuck going. Finna go get this number right here. Y'all follow me. Y'all know what the fuck going. Hey, why the fuck Shawty already looking over here? Why she already looking? I don't get no fuck though. 2020. On God. It's a crazy world we live in. On God. You thought I'd get your number on my flip phone? Huh? What's on my flip phone?
Nothing.
You fuck with it?
No.
But it be hard.
Yeah, it's hard.
Hey, rejection part 3. Rejection part 3.
Alright, chat, I'm finna go do it, chat. You feel me? Finna go do it. Yo, tight shit. Say no. I got a question I gotta ask you. I thought you were kind of pretty. You think I can get your number?
That's okay.
Why not? Why not? We can do some shit.
I'm glad I'm gay for a reason.
You what?
That bitch ain't even on.
This bitch got minutes on it. I'm telling you, this bitch got minutes on it. Yeah. This bitch got minutes on it.
Just once. Please, oh please let me win one. Sensational.
She I don't know if she's bisexual, but I know she's only dated girls. What if I change that? Huh? So what if I change that? I genuinely doubt that. Okay, like I'm like pretty much dating her friend in the room. Excuse me? Are you single?
Yeah.
I was wondering if I can get your Instagram.
I don't have Instagram.
You don't have Instagram?
No.
What about number?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah? So you want me to put my phone number on your phone or?
Yeah.
I was gonna put it on mine, but it works, you know. It works. You know, we can put it on yours.
Is that a flip phone?
That's my phone. Yeah.
Okay.
Now, well, let me put it on your phone though. What's your name?
Mary.
Mary?
Yeah.
Oh shit. All right. What the? All right, that's it. Yeah. You hit me up, text me. We can work something out, you know. All right, you take it easy, Mary. So basically for this part of the video, there's no audio because, copyright issues. Basically, y'all really don't care about this, but, I can't really, actually physically post the audio because, YouTube doesn't like that stuff. So, yeah. So please, can we clap it up for YouTube? Thank you so much, for ruining my dreams. Yeah, this was, probably one of the best clips in the video. But it's whatever, though. We live and we learn. But Hope y'all do enjoy the rest of the video, and you know, I'll stop talking and I'll shut the
Nah, bro, let go. I get your number? No. Ah, man.
But no, because I don't want no man right now.
You can just be friends then.
Friends?
You can just be friends.
No.
Man, put your number. Hey. Bro, she locked in. She locked in. Hey, don't run for me. Give me your number. Give it now.
But what the hell, bro?
15 times in a row.
Dang, he's adjusting that. Hey, I can get y'all a number. I get y'all a number.
We been the fuck up I speak on one of y'all. I speak on y'all, bro.
That old flip phone.
Huh?
And soccer in my backyard. I think I see Messi, and his money could never neglect me. I pray that my family will never resent me.
Oh, she bad. We got knee in the building. Man, come on, nigga. What you doing? Fat, bro. What the fuck I heard? Crazy. I already got the digit.
man, I'm dead.
Hey, man, I'm graduate.
Was he getting Rizzing?
Shut your.
Is he, wait, what grade you in?
I'm a sophomore.
Yo, this guy's a senior. This guy's a senior.
I know.
No.